Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Math School. In today's video, we will talk about Karnataka Board Reduced Math Syllabus for Class 10 for the year 2020 to 2021. So before we begin this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos. So around 30% of the syllabus has been reduced by the Karnataka Board. So let us see what are the changes that has been made to the syllabus and how the syllabus has been reduced. So there are certain chapters where there is no change, whereas in certain chapters some changes has been done, where some part of the chapter has been removed, and there are certain chapters where the complete chapter or the whole chapter has been removed from the syllabus. So let us see all the chapters one by one for class 10th SLC NCERT Math. So our first chapter, arithmetic progression, there is no change. You have to learn the whole chapter as it is given in the textbook. The second chapter is triangles. There are certain changes in the chapter triangles. The theorem 2.4 has been removed. Then theorem 2.5 has also been removed, and the theorem 2.9 has also been removed. So these are the three theorems which have been completely removed from the chapter triangles. So you don't have to learn these theorems for your final board exams. So the third chapter is pair of linear equations in two variables. Again, certain things have been removed in this chapter. Solution of the pair of linear equation by substitution method has been removed. So this method you don't have to study, that is section 3.4.1, and also the second method, that is cross multiplication method from the section 3.4.3 has also been removed. So these are the two methods that you don't have to study for your examinations. Then the fourth chapter is circles. Again, there is no change in the chapter. Then the fifth chapter is areas related to circles, which has been removed completely. So this chapter is not there for the board exams. Then the sixth chapter is construction. Again, there is no change in this chapter. Then the seventh chapter is coordinate geometry. Again, there is no change. You have to study these two chapters completely. Then the eighth chapter is real numbers, which has also been removed completely. Then the ninth chapter is again polynomials, which also has been removed completely. So the three chapters, that is areas related to circles, real numbers and polynomials, have been completely removed from your syllabus. The next chapter, that is the 10th chapter, quadratic equation. Again, there are certain changes in this chapter. Solution by completing the square method has been removed. So you don't have to learn that method to solve the quadratic equation. And also the problems related to this will also be not asked. Then the 11th chapter is introduction to trigonometry. Again, there is no change. Some applications of trigonometry also there is no change. So these two chapters have been retained as it is for your syllabus. Then the 13th chapter is the statistics, where there are certain changes. The calculation by assumed mean and step deviation method has been removed. So you don't have to study this method. So this is the changes in this chapter statistics. The 14th chapter is the probability. Again, the whole chapter has been removed from your syllabus. So you don't have to study this chapter again. Then the last chapter, that is surface areas and volumes, that is the chapter number 15. There is again no change. You have to completely study this whole chapter. So there are around 4 chapters which has been completely removed from your syllabus. That is real numbers, polynomials, areas related to circles. So these are the 4 chapters which have been completely removed. So in my videos, you must have seen that I have completed the whole arithmetic progression and quadratic equations. I have also completed the real numbers chapter, but that chapter has been removed for now. So let me tell you which is the next chapter I'm going to take up in my videos. The next chapter would be triangles. After that, I'll be taking up pair of linear equations in two variables, then circles, then I'll be taking up constructions and surface areas and volumes, and then we will go with introduction to trigonometry and application of trigonometry, and the last chapter we will be dealing is statistics. So this I have given you the list of chapters how I will be taking up in my videos. So one by one I'll be covering all the chapters with examples and the exercises. So hopefully you have understood. So this is how your syllabus has been reduced by 30% from the Karnataka board. So in my next videos, I'll be taking up the chapter triangles. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you get the latest updates of my videos.